these situations happen the same way every time. You have a person who works for the American government in some country, sitting at home peacefully, not touching anyone, doing their thing, and suddenly they hear this noise, which is, some have described it as, like a marble going down a metal kind of bowl, like deafening, high-pitched sound. The point is, they hear this noise, and noise in and of itself apparently does not make you feel horrible. It's not the noises, and there is a recording of that noise recorded by one of the workers that has experienced this thing. Nevertheless, and then you start feeling actual physical symptoms, and some people have actually described it as they have felt as if something has pushed them or touched them